Okay, guys. Our focus for today is all about adaptive front lighting system, and pag-aaralan natin kung paano ba ito magtatrabaho. Okay, AFLS provide optimum visibility to driver depending on the condition of the vehicle, auto leveling vertically and auto adjusting horizontal beam projector angle, and adjust beam pattern according to driving speed or rainy weather condition. Okay, class conversion function is available depending on the model. Okay, AFLS component. Okay, these are AFLS component, swivel motor. Okay, swivel motor activate headlamp left to right. Okay, leveling motor activate headlamp vertically. Shield motor convert headlamp beam pattern applied model KF PF. FLS is now called AFS according to HMC new naming structure. Okay, AFLS warning lights. Okay, FLS warning lights. This is a symbol. DBL warning light. Ito naman yung symbol niya. And LED warning light. Yan ang symbol. Okay, inspection of headlamp connector pin bent marks on body side connector. Ito i-inspect lang, for example na hindi gumagana, i-inspect muna yung mga connector. Okay, inspection procedure, verify that tailgate voltage low below 2 volt. Okay, thank you very much sa inyong lahat, and to those who are not yet subscribed to our channel, you are free to subscribe, and we hope that more blessings will be given to you. Okay, God bless and thank you.